Here are a few tips and tricks for using your Cuisinart indoor pizza oven to create the perfect bake-at-home pizza. The oven is ready to go in about 25 to 30 minutes. Heat the stone a bit longer for even better results. First trick, try store-bought dough. Then, when you have the hang of it, try our Neapolitan-style recipe for a light, crispy crust. Be sure to add a pinch of sugar for a beautifully colored crust. To turn up the flavor on your crust, allow the dough to ferment in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. Next tip, bring your dough to room temperature before shaping. Know that it'll be sticky. Just dust your hands and surfaces with flour to make it easier to work with. Then, press and stretch the dough ball into a round. If it resists, cover it. Let it rest for a few minutes, then try again. Once the dough is stretched to size, add it to the floured peel. Go easy on the sauce and toppings. They can weigh down your pizza. Add 2 tablespoons of sauce to the middle of the dough and then spread it to the edges. Also, pre-cook your toppings. The moisture in raw ingredients like raw meat, mushrooms, and peppers can take longer than the crust to cook. Now, slide the pizza onto the stone. Set the timer for 5 minutes, then watch that crust puff up and that cheese get all bubbly. To create even spotting around the entire crust, rotate your pizza 180 degrees after 3 minutes. When your pizza's done, slide the peel under the crust, take it out, and set it on a cutting board. And one last suggestion, grab a slice or 3 and enjoy. This is the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven, and it's pizza time.